Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This next video here is brought to you by Rosanna. She is my sister, and she recorded this video a couple weeks ago, maybe even a month or two ago. She recorded it while I was at college, and now that I'm home here, I'm able to get that video processed and out to you guys. So enjoy this next video here.
Hi everybody, it's Rosanna from Echo Valley Homestead. Jacob's at school, so I'm gonna help him out today. We are going to pick up a bunch of sticks and make sure all the paths are clean. So let's go. So first we got the pavilion stained last week, earlier this week. No, it was earlier this week. And so we had to get all of our furniture off, which is why it's like pretty much empty, but Mom started putting some things there, so we're gonna put everything back on the pavilion and then we'll go. I'm gonna empty off the back of the mule before we get started with everything because somebody put some stuff on it. Okay, Dad is loading up the back. Ooh! Really? Get away from me!
She's not the animal.
Okay, took care of that one.
Well, everybody, as you can see, we're like doing good so far. Got some good progress going. Oh, my hair is not. Okay. We're doing good. About a lot of fields left. Okay, everybody, I'm changing my gloves here to some leather gloves because I got some briars coming up, but I got my first cut. I have the pole pruner here. That's what we've been using to get all the big branches down. Let's head up on this way, see if we can find some more.